Morning guys, Simon here at Unity Beach. It's Friday, the 4th of April. Lots of exciting things happening this weekend. Lots of the fun fair opening up, the new amusement arcade, entertainment venues. There is our fun fair just down there with the new Ferris wheel. What I want to show you today is this. This is a brand new ABI Kielder 2025, just been put together. It will be decked, so decking just like that one there, which is huge to be fair, will be going on here in the next week or so. But I want to show you it unpacked. So here it is, the Kielder. It's 40 by 23 bedrooms. Great van this. Look at this lodge. There we are. So cloakroom area for your coats and boots. Nice storage cupboards. We'll take you in through to the main living space. So plenty of light coming in here. We haven't got the power on in this yet, so this is without artificial lighting. And those doors will go directly out onto your decking area. Wonderful dining area, and the kitchen is just great. Everything you're going to need in your lodge. Integrated appliances. There's your dishwasher and your washing machine. There we go. Fridge, freezer, again integrated. There we are. And we'll take you down through now. I mean, this living space I think is just great. Look at that. Lovely high ceilings. So the country club is accessible 12 months of the year. It's positioned really nicely next to our country club and the golf course, 18-hole golf course down here at Unity Beach. Great master bathroom, full-size bath in there. And then the first of the bedrooms. This is a 3-bed. So cleverly laid out. Lots of storage there, double wardrobe. And then into the first double, and there are 2 here, so it's a twin and 2 doubles. Again, light and bright and airy. There's our ensuite for the first double. And we'll take you through into the master. Here's the master, again, really spacious. Nicely designed. The woodwork theme throughout the whole of this lodge gives it a kind of a cottagey feel, which is nice. I really love it. There's your view out there with your golf club and miles of countryside back there. And of course the master would always be en suite, but does come with a walk-in wardrobe space. And there's your master ensuite. There we go. So much going on at the moment down here at Unity Beach. Loads of exciting plans being unveiled weekly. Lots of upgrades throughout the whole site. This is certainly the year above all other years to join us down here in Somerset at Unity Beach. Give me a call, 07 973 620 351, and come for a tour. Let me show you around. I can show you this and other options here on the country club, as well as options on our main site at Unity Beach. 07973 620 351. Give me a call. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.